Jagdish Vasudeva or Jaggi Vasudeva, venerated as Sadguru, was born on 3rd September 1957. He is an Indian yogi and author as well as the founder of Isha Foundation that operates an ashram and yoga center and is involved in various activities related to spirituality, education and environment. He is well recognized for his book Inner Engineering, A Yogi's Guide to Joy. Vasudeva was always interested towards the nature. Since his childhood, he used to roam around the forest to catch snakes and pet them. He is a man keen to adventures. Just with the purpose to fund his interest in adventures and travel, he started a business which he later gave to his friend. He is a man with great interest in spirituality, hence spent days long in meditation, yoga, asanas and pranayams. He has been honored by the Padma Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian awards by the Government of India for his contribution to social welfare. Also, he has been awarded Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar for his project Green Hands that had an initiative to focus on ecological degradation and environmental problems. He has a great deal of thoughts. There are many things that we can learn from him. Let us look at some of his best quotes that can inspire us. One moment of absolute gratitude can transform your whole life. Human life is a possibility. Do you have the courage and commitment to make the possibility into a reality? How healthy and strong a body you have and how dynamic and sharp a mind is what will take you through life. Nothing in life is a problem. Everything is a possibility. Only when you do not know yourself, the opinion of other people becomes important. How deeply you touch another life is how rich your life is. Meditation is a possibility to awaken new dimensions within you. Your experience of life does not depend on who or what is around you, but on how you are. For anyone in whatever they are doing, success will not come without grace. Do not try to fix whatever comes in your life. Fix yourself in such a way that whatever comes, you will be fine. Fears and insecurities are unconsciously created by you. If you do not create them, they do not exist. We have to make people realize that God doesn't need soldiers who fight for Him. May the labors of your life be not of hardship, but of love and joy. How you handle a situation is not entirely your choice, but how you handle yourself is entirely yours. Opinions are like cataracts. They will not allow you to see clearly. The beauty of spring is the fruit is yet to come, but the flower is a promise and a possibility. A possibility, when not harvested, becomes a problem in your experience. In the vastness of the cosmos, everything is going perfect, but one nasty little thought in your mind can make it a bad day. That is lack of perspective. It is not the amount of action, but the depth of experience that makes life rich and fulfilling. If not every day, at least once a month, take stock. Are you evolving into a better human being? What you do should not define who you are. Who you are should define what you do. Joy is a natural phenomena. Misery is your creation. This is the nature of existence. If you do the right things will happen to you. That which knows how to bend will not break. The sign of intelligence is that you are constantly wondering. Idiots are always dead sure about every damn thing they are doing in their life. External circumstances can only cause you physical pain. Suffering is created in your mind. Are you creating poison within you or the fragrance of the divine? This is a choice. Everything in existence is in dynamic motion. Either move with it or rise above it. Do not look up to anything nor look down on anything. Then you will see creation just the way it is.